Hello, this is Chef Piggy back with Cooking with Chef Piggy. Now today is a big day for me. I'm in a test. King Pig wants me to be his personal chef, but I have to cook him scrambled eggs. Now I bought eggs at the store. They're golden, they're round, they're shiny, they're beautiful. So I'm just gonna go get started. I have a deadline in like not very long deadline, but yeah, I'm gonna go get started. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen right now. We're gonna look at the eggs. Yeah, alright. The golden circles because the eggs are actually golden. Now let's open these bad boys up. Alright, I got to my eggs. We're gonna take them out. Now, we're gonna begin cooking. Wait. What are these brown things doing there? I'll just trash them later. Alright, let's get... I think it'll be fine. Alright, we're ready to cook! Alright, so we're gonna just turn on the oven real quick. And you can watch while I turn it on. Medium low sounds like a good place to start. Alright, now we take an egg. We put it at the edge of the bowl right there. And we crack it open and we simply put it in the water. Yeah. And we're gonna do that for the next 2 eggs. Yeah, let's just Alright, we're gonna leave that there. Now I'm gonna go prepare the plate. Alright, we've got the plate. So now we're just gonna go get some like vegetables. Yeah. Ooh. Spinach. Alright, now let's go get the cutting board. Okay, cutting board there. And yeah, let's just cut out the spinach. Alright, we're ready to chop up, and yeah, I'm a lefty. Alright. I don't know exactly how to cut spinach. It looks pretty good to me, so let's just throw it on the plate. There. No, but let's just really quick organize it. There. Oh, it sounds like the eggs are ready. Let's go check out the eggs. I'll put away the spinach later. Alright, let's check out. Oh my god! What happened to them? Oh, they're golden. Yeah, it's just part of the golden process. Alright, let's just turn off this. Alright, let's take this over to the plate. Alright, let's put these eggs down. Wait, what? Oh! Hello, Chef Piggy. Oh, hello there. What are you doing here? Oh, I thought I could guest on the next Cooking with Chef Piggy episode. That won't happen. This is for like specialized King Pig. I gotta sneeze. No, don't give it away. Chow! Chow! Oh, I'm so sick. Why would you do that? Huh? Why would you do that, green pig? Oh, you want me to make it better? Let's make it better. Okay, give me a sec. Alright. Star Wars spoon. What am I gonna use that for? Observe. We're gonna stand right there. We're gonna mix it all up. Yeah. Yeah. You got that worse! You got to start over my delicious meal! Oh, I did? Yes, you idiot, you did.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, have a nice day.
Now you come back here.
Chef Piggy! Chef Piggy!
Oh, God. I need to calm myself down. Oh, yeah.
Chef Piggy, are my eggs done?
Yes, right there.
What? What have you done?
Look, I can explain. It wasn't my.
I love it! Ah!
Wait, you do? You love it?
Yes, I love it! Congratulations, you're promoted!
Wait, promoted? This is a dream, isn't it?
No, you're really promoted. You're becoming a PTM star. Sorry, in 2020, your contract begins for the next 50 years or 40 years. Who knows how long. I gotta dig in.
I've been promoted! Alright, so here's the news. So, being promoted means I'm going to become a PTM classic for a while until my contract runs out or they stop using me. Anyway, so this is the season finale of Cooking with Chef Piggy because now I'm going to be cooking with King Pig for a lot. Boy, that's going to be a hassle. Anyway, so thank you, and I can't believe how it's been already over a month and like 2 months actually, and my show was a hit, kind of. Not as much as Telepizza Flash as I was hoping. Anyway, so this is the final episode of Cooking with Chef Piggy Season 2. Season 1, sorry. Season 2 will be coming out in, like, next year. Not for a while, though. We will not be putting it back for 2021. We want it in 2020 because, yeah. Anyway, so this is the final episode of PTM. I will be in the PTMs. I'm just so excited.
Chef Piggy!
Oh, what? Game Big, what do you need?
I'm hungry! Make me some food!
Well, I better get started. Coming, King Pig!